Damn, it's cold.
That's what I should have hit. Hit a work on phone pairing. Oh, wow. This thing. See, you know when my battery went down, it went out, right? And this is what, oh no. This is what happened. No, I'm coming back and get another one next week. They said you got a kid to fit right in here, right? That kid, okay, good. I'll come back. Oh, I'll be back next week. I'll get rid of this one, this deck. I mean, it got a face and all that old crap, but it don't.
Okay.
It doesn't show anything.
Try the music.
Try it. Let me connect.
No, don't
No,
touch
touch
that.
it. No,
Yeah,
touch it.
just go to YouTube.
I don't want to touch it. No. I don't touch it. Try the music. Okay.
Oh. Wow.
It's on. It's on.
Okay.